If you have been scrolling on Instagram and TikTok for years now, I am very sure you have come across a post saying, "Office for the day." And they are in the Bahamas with a beautiful white sand beach for their view. With the office in a cafe in Bali comes the post saying they control their time and could work anytime and anywhere. You probably scrolled down, went on with your life, and after a few minutes, locked your phone to sleep. You need to get some sleep because for you, going to the office will be driving to a building or taking public transportation in a business district to work in a cubicle or on a desk for some people. But have you ever entertained the idea that it is possible to work from Bali in this day and age? Is it possible to work in your own time, wherever you want in the world as long as there is an internet connection? In today's video, let us talk about how you can actually have an office somewhere in the Caribbean while you sip your piña colada. Stick with me and we will go on a journey to get you one step closer to your office by the beach. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Earning $500 daily isn't so hard, and we will show you how you can earn with just your computer and internet connection. We are in the age of technology, and there are a lot of ways to earn online wherever you live in the world, and everything is for free. There is no need for you to take money out of your own pocket to start. Let's get started with the first step. Go ahead and open your browser. On the search page, type xe.io. If you got on the correct page, you should be greeted by shorten, share, and earn money. Do you see that banner? If you do, then you got to the right page. We are all here to learn how to make money online, maybe to find another way to add other sources of income to the existing job you have. But we all know if we do not know how to save and budget our earnings, we will not reach our goals. What are your money-saving hacks? Comment down below. We could all use a tip or two on how we can save and budget our hard-earned money. If you want to know more ways to earn extra cash on the side, hit like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new videos we have. Now, back to the video. xe.io is the website where people put long URLs and shorten them, so it's easy to share links on pages or social media accounts. Aside from accessing the website, you will also need a PayPal account. If you don't have one already, jump to the PayPal website and find the option that says Create a free PayPal account. This should lead you to a new page. Get started by creating your account with a personal account. As usual, PayPal will ask for your basic information. When you have successfully registered, you should be able to access your PayPal account to send and receive money anywhere in the world. If the country you are located in doesn't have PayPal available, use another app likewise. Now this is a good question for everybody, and I wish a lot of you watching will comment on your answers. The question is, what is the best money transferring app considering the changes in the app when sending or receiving money? What are you using, and why do you prefer that app? Comment your answer in the comment section below and help out those who are new to these applications. There could be a lot of viewers that will learn from you, so don't be shy and share your knowledge. If you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the like and subscribe button now so you don't miss out on great content. You might be worried if the website is legitimate, and this is a valid concern. xe.io lets you withdraw as low as $5 to your PayPal account, and these transactions are being shown on the website. You could see a list of people who are doing withdrawals on the website. You will be able to see the date, the amount, and where they are withdrawing. This proves that people are actually using the website and are able to withdraw the fruits of their labor to their own accounts. It is great to always check the legitimacy of the website we use because we don't want our hard work to go to waste. We are one step ahead of you and checked this on their website already. This will completely work worldwide. The website is easy to use, keeps your important information safe, and a favorite for a lot of people. Cybersecurity is really important now that we do almost all our transactions online. Comment down below if you ever had an issue online and how you were able to fix it. How do you also avoid getting scammed online? If you have any ideas, share them in the comments section down below. I have a few for you. Be careful when opening links and think twice before transferring money to anyone you just met online. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have reached this far into the video. We upload a lot of videos showing you ways on how you can earn online safely. Click on the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our uploads. Now, back to our video. Now, how do you actually make money? By searching on Google on what is trending and seeing the most interesting topic online. When thinking of a topic, you have to keep in mind that the goal is finding a topic that people will want to click on and read. You have to think of something that will avoid people from just scrolling down. For example, an article about the 10 weirdest foods in the world. Once you have this article, right-click and copy the link. Go back to the website xe.io and paste the link in the website's main page. Click the option Shorten Link. Whenever you share this link on your pages and people click on it, xe.io will pay you. You can earn more than $500 on the link you shorten. Share the link on all your social media accounts and any other pages you have. The goal is for a lot of people to click and open your link. The more people you get to open the link, the more money there will be in your bank account. Sounds easy enough, right? Go ahead and get started today. You will be working in a beautiful place in no time instead of your regular office cubicle. If you are still here, just a quick review on what we talked about today in case you missed a few steps. xe.io is the website you need to access to shorten links of interesting articles available online. The more interesting the article is, the better for you. xe.io pays you when people open your shortened link. Now, you need to have an account where xe.io can pay you, correct? You should be able to use PayPal. You can create a PayPal account for free if you do not have an account yet. Just go to the website of PayPal and create an account from there. This should all be easy, so go ahead and start making money online. Make your dreams happen. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.